There's a subtle way to enhance your eyes if you have hooded eyes or monolids using the smoked out puppy liner method. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Often when we have hooded eyes, the hood is mostly resting on the lid, hiding the lid space. So when you apply a regular eyeliner, sometimes it can interfere with the hood and distort it. So today I'm going to be showing you a very popular Korean method of smoking out a puppy liner, which is more forgiving on hooded eyes and monolids. So I can't wait to show you how it's done. Without further ado, let's begin. So how do you know if one has hooded eyes? All you have to do is look straight in the mirror and observe your lids. If you can't see much of your lid space because it's hiding under some extra skin, which we call the hood, then you might have hooded eyes. With regular winged liner, because we take the wing upwards, sometimes it can interfere with the hood. But with the puppy liner, we go parallel to the hood, and by smoking it out, we soften everything up. I'm going to start with my brows, and I'm going to be using the 24-hour brow setter. This is a transparent gel by Benefit Cosmetics. With the spoolie, I'm going to brush my brow hair upwards to create enough space below the brows. And then with the Precisely My Brow pencil, again from Benefit Cosmetics, in the shade 4.5, I'm going to only fill in the sparse areas. To clean up underneath the brows and as a primer for my lids, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145. The shade 145 is a true match to my skin tone, so that'll help to conceal and cover up any discoloration that I have. If you don't have much discoloration on your lid, you can also use an eyeshadow primer. To prevent this concealer from settling in the folds and the fine lines, I'm going to lightly set it with a translucent powder. The one that I'm using today is the Too Faced setting powder. As you can see, that makes a huge difference. Now we have a clean canvas and we can create a new crease. We can do any kind of artwork over this. I'm going to be using the Naked Ultraviolet palette. This is by Urban Decay. First dipping into Mind Slip, which is a light peach shade. I'm going to be using this all over my lid as well as smoking it out in my lower lash line. And the brush that I'm using is a flat fluffy brush by Rose and Ben Beauty. To deepen my lid as well as lower lash line, I'm going to dip into Hacked, which is a cooler toned brown. And with the same brush, I'm going to apply it on my lid, but I'm not going to buff it out as much as I did with the peach shade. And then with a smaller brush, I'm going to apply it very close to my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Inglot Gel Liner in black. With a nail art brush, I'm going to be extending my lash line in the direction of my lash line. I'm extending it just a tad bit because if you pull it too much, your eyes can appear droopy. And I'm lining only the outer half of my lash line, keeping it very close to my lashes. And before this liner dries, I'm going to smudge it out using a small flat shader brush. And then dipping into digital, I'm going to smoke this out further so it can melt into the shades that I used on my lid. So now we have a subtle smoked out puppy liner that is melting into the peach shades that we used on the lid, giving us that nice ombre transition with deeper shades closer to the lash line, and as it moves upwards and outwards, it becomes lighter. I'm going to next use this beautiful sparkle called VR. I'm going to start with the inner corner, pushing it all the way upwards and outwards and then towards the center of the lid. As you can see, that's very subtle and delicate, and that's how we want to keep today's look. And then with a smaller brush, I'm also going to use it in my lower lash line. Using the shade Trippin', I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bone. That's pretty much it, and I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara, but before that I'm curling my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara. And here's the completed eye look. There's something about this look that makes the eyes look youthful and innocent. And I call this a semi-formal look. You can wear it to special events, but it's not overwhelming. The eyeshadow is not in people's faces. It still looks glam with that sparkle, but it's very delicate. To finish this look, I'm going to be using the Rouge Artist Shine On Sculpting Lipstick from Makeup Forever in the shade 134, which is Ideal Chai. I have the entire collection. Let me know if you want to see swatches. These lipsticks have a satin shine and they are long lasting. It's almost like a combination of a gloss and a lipstick, and I like the fact that it's extremely smooth on the lips and it's very comfortable. And here's the completed look, just a subtle way to enhance your natural features. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Do check out the description box for all the products that I used today, as well as links to my social media in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.